Hello again, welcome to my channel, and this is my 2018 Toyota RAV4 limited edition. And I turn on my car, look at the maintenance light required came on, and say visit. It says to visit your dealer to have a reset. Well, today I'm going to show you how to reset that maintenance light. You don't need to go to a dealer. So my car, I don't have it's keyless, so push button to start. So first of all, just turn off the car before you do that. Shut off the car. Okay, now with the keyless, you have to apply your foot on the brake and push the button to start the car. But for the purpose of doing this reset the maintenance light, you don't need to apply your foot on the brake. Just push 2 times, 1 and 2 times. Okay, the screen came on, and when the screen came on, see the maintenance light, see maintenance light required came on. So this is the on your steering wheel right here, this right here, you see this return button right here. If you push that, and then the screen will pop up and you have more option to reset the light. Okay, and this is the arrow. You want to move left or right, up and down, and this is when you whatever you want, and then this the enter button to accept. So okay, so you push this button right here, look at on the screen, you push the return button on the screen right there. Okay, now push this button. Okay, the screen is on the top right there, and then you use the left or right arrow to, okay, now go up. See the setting right there? This is what you want. Meter set, vehicle setting, use the arrow, use the arrow up key to go up, and then push this right here to select, and the schedule maintenance, and push this one right here to select. That's what you want. Okay, push this to accept, and use the arrow up, and then use this button to accept yes. Okay, the data has been reset, so that's it. And now if I turn on my car, the car turned on. Okay, so the maintenance light is gone. And if you want to return to your screen again, just push this and you adjust whatever you want. Okay, this is the screen I want right here. That's what you do. You just push this and then return back to my screen right there. This is the screen I want. And that's it. And I hope you learned something here. Please, if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. With the keyless, you have to apply your foot on the brake and push the button to start the car. But for the purpose of doing this reset the maintenance light, you don't